we want to convert pressure units, such as 325 millimeters mercury to pascals, we use the conversion to 1 atmosphere as our standard way of converting. So 1 atmosphere is 760 millimeters of mercury. We don't actually have to write down 1 atmosphere anywhere. We're just going to go directly onto the next unit. And pascals, 1 atmosphere is 101,325 pascals. So we set this up such that our millimeters of mercury will divide itself out. We're left with pascals, the units that we want. We run this to our calculators. We get 43,300 pascals. And we start off with 3 significant digits, so I'm giving us 3 significant digits in the answer. On the next problem, we have a volume at an unknown pressure. We're expanding that gas into a larger volume. At the larger volume of 5.84 liters, we were able to measure the pressure at 0.977 atmospheres. We can use this to calculate back to the original pressure by using Boyle's law. Pressure volume equals pressure volume. So we're looking for pressure and we see in here that doesn't matter what units of pressure we use, whatever we put in is what we'll get out. But we need to have matching units for our volume so they will cancel out. So we're going to have 0.977 atmospheres times 5.84 liters. Convert our milliliters into liters. 0.560 liters. And this gives us 10.2 atmospheres. On the next problem, we have a volume at 27 degrees Celsius and 770 millimeters mercury. We decrease the temperature to minus 23, and we want to know what the new volume is. The pressure remains constant. If the pressure remains constant, we don't need that in our equation. So we're just looking at temperature versus volume. Well, the first thing is that for all of our gas laws, when we do temperature, we have to do Kelvin temperature. So we have to convert our Celsius into Kelvin. So we add 273. That'll be 300 Kelvin. Let's see here. 273 on that one. That will come to 250 Kelvin. Okay, we're looking for volume. So an easy way to look for volume is first to flip this equation upside down. Completely flip it so the volume's on top. Okay, so we're solving for volume. So it doesn't matter what units we're using for volume. What units we put in are the units that we get out. So we're starting off with 20 liters. And multiplying it by the ratio of 250 over 300. And run that through our calculator, and we end up with 16.7 liters.